Hey y'all, so this is just a quick little tutorial of how I do my stitch braids. Please ignore my ashy ass hands, y'all. Look, we gotta wash our hands 1,000 times a day and we don't have time for all that lotion and stuff. So I parted down the middle and put the product in the middle, and then also on the outside of the braids, just to ensure that my braids are slick as possible with no lumps, Comb it through thoroughly. Cannot have any tangles or anything like that, especially with the amount of product that you have to use. So I parted just to start the braid off and establish my braid. You could braid maybe like 2 or 3 times. It really doesn't matter, and it's really not going to make a difference how many times you braid. So I pull up on the piece of hair that I'm parting because it just makes me part the hair better. I found that if I don't pull up, it kind of tangles up the hair a little bit. And then the part isn't as straight or smooth. I'll have to keep going back over it instead of one time. So I'm just showing you how it looks if I don't pull up on the hair to part. It's just a struggle for me. Maybe not some others, but for me, it is. So I always just pull up a little bit of hair behind where I'm going to part. It just makes the process faster, and it makes it so much easier for my fingers just to slide through the hair. Especially with this texture of hair. See I'm unable to grip it or grab it if I don't pull up on that extra hair. But always remember, when stitching, go from side to side, left to right. Keep that in your head, because if you don't go from left to right on each side, then the braid will be all messed up. But you just continue to just go from side to side, pull up, part, pull, and smooth it out. Part, pull, smooth it out. I always smooth it out before I pull it up in the braid, just to ensure that I don't have to go back and fix anything, and the braid is flat and as smooth as possible. And then you just keep stitching all the way down. I do try to stitch all the way down to the nape, because if I don't, I don't know, it just throws the braid off. Sometimes you aren't always able to see the stitch in the back, but I don't know. Just stitch all the way down. Just makes the braid look so much better. Pull, stitch, smooth. Pull, stitch, smooth. And this is my stitch braid. Let me know how I did. Let me know how it looks. Let me know if you guys want to see the finished product. She did get 2 buns in the back with some curlies. That's why I didn't add the hair until the end. But rate it.